First of all, Niša is very attractive because there's a good air bridge to Copenhagen basically from Nice to Malmö. Of course it had a short interruption, but luckily it's opening again now. And I really like all the people down here. They're very, very friendly and they're very open. And I fell in love instantly with the food down here. I can say the first 3 months I gained 10 kilos in Nice. So it was a combination of my favorite rakia, pleskavits, kaimak, etc. And in general the summer and the weather is much better down here, so what is not to like? The food was some of the first impressions that I got. It's another way even of organizing food. It's a different thing they eat. I see no bikes in Denmark. You see bikes everywhere. You see taxis here everywhere. Everyone goes by taxi, or people go a lot by taxi. So that's like my first things. We did have some challenges, but all that is of course sorted out now. But yes, it's different because in Denmark a lot of the public sector is digitalized. It can, if I want to register a company in Denmark, I basically has a digital ID. I can log into a portal online and I can have my registered in 5 minutes, and so goes with all kinds of other public processes. If I want to change ownership of a car, even in Denmark, if you want to be divorced, it can be done 5 minutes online, which is maybe not the smartest thing. So it was very fast. It became clear also because Niša is one of the biggest cities in Serbia, that there was potential for much more here. And the people we employed, they were really high level, and they are really high level, and we are finding a lot of talent